Bahía Blanca, Buenos Aires, Argentina, February 2, 2025. A powerful hailstorm hit Bahía Blanca on Sunday afternoon, causing material damage and leaving roads covered in ice. The storm, accompanied by gusts of wind, caused signs to fly and glass to shatter in the city. Residents shared images of the phenomenon on social media, where large hailstones were seen accumulating on roads and sidewalks.
El hielo bastante importante, el granizo, terrible.
Many agree that hail of this size has not been seen in the city of Bahía Blanca for years, except for the tragic storm in December 2023. So far, there have been no reports of injuries, although caution is advised due to the presence of standing water and the possibility of loose objects on public roads. There were also damaged cars, power outages, and houses with broken windows. One of the most serious incidents occurred in Chiclana 700, where a tree fell onto the road, blocking traffic. Similar situations were recorded at the Branson and Chiclana intersections, as well as at 25 de Mayo 100, where another tree fell on a van. The SMN had issued a yellow alert for Bahía Blanca and other cities southwest of Buenos Aires, anticipating a storm with strong gusts of wind, hail, strong electrical activity and short periods of rain.
El auto está tapadísimo.
¿Qué desastre, hermano, un ratito? Yo sí. Esto de adentro de tribunales. ¡Ay, Dios!
Minutes before the storm began, at 3:10 p.m., the agency extended the alert with short notice to nearby cities and districts, valid until 5 p.m. The company EDS Energia reported that, so far, 24,000 users in the city are still without electricity. Emergency teams are already working in several areas and have clarified that, Despite the magnitude of the storm, no significant damage has been reported to power lines.
Ese ojete. Pero ese es una cortina que no...
No, otra vez no, otra vez no.
Wind gusts exceeding 100 kilometers per hour caused numerous trees and branches to fall in various parts of Bahia Blanca. In many cases, these trees blocked roads and caused serious traffic disruptions. In addition, heavy rains have also caused waterlogging in several areas, causing flooding in homes and businesses. The situation is particularly serious on several major roads.
¡Ay, Dios!
No lo puedo creer.
Authorities are still assessing the damage and there have been no reports of injuries. The public is advised to stay informed about weather conditions and take extreme precautions in case of further storms.